Communities are becoming more sensitive to the impact of oil production on local neighborhoods and landscapes, especially in urban and populated areas where the traditional infrastructure of pump jacks is unsightly, noisy, and unsafe. Introducing Unico's linear rod pump, a game-changing solution with advanced technology designed for safety, aesthetics, autonomy, and significantly reduced site impact. With its compact design, inherent safety, and eco-friendly approach, LRP systems offer a potent remedy to the challenges of traditional pumping systems. The base oil market worldwide is expected to have a total compound annual growth rate of 3.67% between 2023 and 2032. Today, one of the most significant trends in oil and gas industry is the integration of digital technologies for improved well management. Unico's LRP unit is equipped with advanced software that enables autonomous operation and optimization. As a result, the industry has observed a 20 to 30% increase in production with the integration of such smart systems. To meet the significant changes, Unico's LRP linear rod pumping unit stand out as beacons of progress. Together, let's engage, innovate, and shape the future of oil industry.